What if a house wasn't made to look beautiful, but to be felt, not in an abstract way, but physically, in your body? This is the Brazilian elemental house, designed by Estúdio Zargos, where the idea is simple: remove everything that is excess until only the essential remains. From the moment you arrive, that becomes clear. The house doesn't try to impress. There are no refined finishes, no decorative elements drawing attention. What you see are direct materials: concrete, steel, exposed surfaces without hiding how they were made. As you enter, you begin to notice that the space is not uniform. The floor changes material along the path. Some surfaces are cold and smooth, others are rougher, more raw. Light also doesn't enter the same way everywhere. In some areas, it is direct. In others, more filtered, creating brighter zones and others that feel more protected. And the wind is part of it too. Some areas are more enclosed, quieter. Others allow air to pass through easily. Nothing here stays the same all the time, and that changes how you perceive each space. The house is not organized only by function. It is organized by situations. Each area creates a different condition, one more open, another more protected, one brighter, another more contained, and you understand this by moving through it. This is not a house you understand by standing still. You understand it in motion. The materiality reinforces this all the time. The concrete appears unfinished, the steel as well. Nothing is hidden. You can see how the house was built, the connections between materials, the marks, the joints. This creates a feeling of something direct, almost raw, but at the same time, highly controlled. Every choice is there for a reason. At the same time, the house maintains a constant relationship with the outside. Nature is not separated. It enters. Light enters. Air enters. And that makes the environment change throughout the day. The house is never exactly the same. Even with around 360 square meters, its design does not depend on size to work. It depends on how each space is experienced. In the end, the elemental house does not try to be a striking object. It does not aim to impress through form. It does something else. It reduces, it simplifies, and by doing that, it creates a more direct experience. A house where you don't just see the space, you feel it through the floor, the light, the air, the materials. A house that returns to the basics, to the essential, to the elemental.